Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're guessing Italian BRAINROT animals using voice. You'll get 20 questions with 10 seconds to find the answer for each. Let's go. The first question, guess the first character.
Rino, Rino, Tosterrino. Wah, pam pam, el torterelli rinelli. Oh.
Great job, it's Rhino Tosterino.
Rino, Rino, Tosterrino. Wah, pam pam, el torterelli rinelli.
Number 2, guess which character it is.
Ganganzelli trulala, giraffe mafiosi. Si tratta di un elemento criminale spietato appartenente...
Spot on, Ganganzelli Trulala is the correct answer.
Ganganzelli trulala, giraffe mafiosi. Si tratta di un elemento criminale...
Round 3, who do you think this is?
Budi didi dun budi andun dan dun din. Dia adalah seorang jambu klutuk.
You nailed it. It's Budi Din Din Dun.
Budi didi dun budi andun dan dun din. Dia adalah seorang jambu.
Next round, which character do you prefer?
Ganzelli trulala, giraffe mafiosi. Si tratta di un elemento criminale spietato. Budi didi dun budi andun dan dun din. Dia adalah seorang jambu klutuk.
Like if Ganganzelli Trulala is your pick, and comment Budi Din Din Dun to show your support for him. Round 5. Can you name the next character?
Mulyono! 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 Mulyat!
Exactly, Mulyono.
Mulyono! 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 Mulyono!
Get ready. Next character. What a familiar voice it is.
Ecco a voi, Pussini Suscini e il leggendario Gattini Wasabin.
That's correct, it's Passini Sushini.
Ecco a voi, Pussini Suscini e il leggendario Gattini Wasabin.
Odd one out challenge. Can you find the odd one in here? You're right. Here is the odd one out. Round 8. Can you recognize this voice?
Oh my God! Daddy mocha latte? Oi oi oi, daddy daddy moi moi nom nom.
That's correct. It's Siapa Malat Ini.
Oh my God! Daddy mocha latte? Oi oi oi, daddy daddy moi moi.
Round 9. What do you think this character is?
Udon don don dan, ma don 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 dan, il terrore della frutteria, era lì.
Udon Don Don Dan is the correct answer.
Udon don don dan, ma don 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 dan, il terrore della frutteria.
Listening to this voice, what impression do you have?
Strawbellin, putrian, si kecil manis dari negeri gelato. Senyumnya bisa meleleh.
This can only be Strabelina putriana.
Strawbellin, putrian, Si kecil manis dari negeri gelato. Senyumnya.
Rate the song.
Ballerina cappuccino riding pink scooters in the water park. Tung tung.
Write your feelings in the comments section. Round 12. Who's the character behind these emojis and this voice?
Pak Rahmat Mamamat Matmat Mamat Tung merupakan anomali yang sangat menyeramkan.
Spot on. It's Pakram Atmat.
Pak Rahmat Mamamat Matmat Mamat Tung merupakan anomali yang sangat menyeramkan.
Round 13. Can you guess the character by cracking this emoji code?
Perro, peroccello, lemoncello. Sukpung Shmo. Si tratta di una creatura agile e furba.
That's right. It's Paracello Lemoncello.
Perro, peroccello, lemoncello. Sukpung Shmo. Si tratta di una creatura.
Round 14. Next round. Do you have any ideas?
Brr, esteh patipum. Bukan sembarangan esteh. Ini adalah
Excellent work. It's Beres Dephatapum.
Brr, esteh patipum. Bukan sembarangan esteh.
Round 15. Find the odd one out. You're right. Here is the odd one out. Round 16. Which character is hinted at with these emojis and voice?
Gangster futera criminalera. Indossa un outfit.
Yes, it's Gangster Futera.
Gangster futera criminalera. Indossa un outfit.
Round 17. Any idea who this is?
Tirilicalica! Tirilicalaco! Era un pollo con l'aria condizionata nel deserto che camminava alla ricerca.
So good. This is Tiralikalika Tiralikalako.
Tirilicalica! Tirilicalaco! Era un pollo con l'aria condizionata nel deserto.
Round 18. Can you tell who the character is using both emojis and voice?
Bom bom bom. Tigrulini watermelini. Arrar!
Yes, the answer is Tigrulini Watermelini.
Bom bom bom. Tigrulini watermelini. Arrar!
Round 19. A hard one. Can you guess whose voice is this?
No. No.
Incredible. It's Tyrexo Durexo.
No.
Odd one out challenge. Can you find the odd one in here? You're right. Here is the odd one out. Round 21. What about this one? Can you guess?
Ta. Sahur. Ada kejadian misterius yang hanya muncul saat sahur.
Good. This is Tatata Sahur.
Ta. Sahur. Ada kejadian misterius yang hanya muncul saat
That's right. PB potato.
Pipi potato! Hook, 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 hook! Is una criatura ka?
Thanks for participating. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like and subscribe to Creamy. Let us know in the comments which character you'd most like to see in the Minecraft movie. See you next time.